Alright, so I realized I was getting ready to texture. I forgot that I had this hole here. Which I think is best if I fill that in before I texture that patch. Anyway, I want to show how I like to patch these holes. First of all, I like to cut my piece beforehand, not actually cut it to fit, but cut a new piece a little bit bigger. Stick it up, cover the hole. I got a stud right here, so I got to come right to this spot there. Now, the pencil, that way you get a much better match. That way. Drywall thing. Just have all your tools with you. Cut to match. Fit in there. Okay, squeeze. A little too tight. Okay, that's gonna work. Now, another piece. There's a wood backer behind it. I like to mark the middle to help with lining it up. Wrong piece. There's not a lot of room. I'll put a screw in the backer. By the way, plywood is best, so that if you use just regular wood, solid wood, it will split on you. Plywood, if it splits, it only splits one of the layers, usually. Make sure you recess screws well. Very good. You gotta be careful when you're putting this in. If you put it near the edge, that paper tends to come up. Fix that later. Alright, I like to use this stuff for patches. It's real thin. It's called Fibafuse. You can see the name of it in there. It's made of fiberglass, so I always wear gloves when I'm using it. So let me get my taping knife. Let's cut a couple pieces to fit. Just two is all I need. I'm just using topic compound to put this on, +3. Don't have a whole lot of time. And it's just a closet, it's the inside of a closet, so not super important. I'm just using all purpose. Bed that stuff real good. Cleans up a little too well. There we go. You can see how thin that stuff is. First coat should dry pretty quick. I'm going to put a heater on it. Okay, it can dry about 10 minutes. Put a quick coat on there. So this is getting texture, and this is just a closet. 2 coats should be enough for me. I don't really see it back here in the closet. Okay, a little bit more heat.